There was a lack of functionality in the living area because the TV was mounted on the corner wall and this gave no space for the placement of sofa in the right direction. Now we have introduced a sleek modern TV unit with clean lines and balanced proportions. For old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architecture construction and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.